Imagine crossing a river on a log that hangs from cables of twisted grass. For centuries, people have walked across bridges that you might not trust to hold up even a hammock. The first competency we are working on is the collaboration competency. Groups are working in teams of 3 to build suspension bridges. The focus while they're working with their team is to show that collaboration. They know exactly what the teachers are looking for as they're doing the work and are able to call back to specific criteria that they are focusing on. The second competency we are talking about and working on today is from our math competencies. One of the criteria is data analysis. So can students collect, graph, and analyze data? So after the teams have built bridges and measured the span, we are going to collect that data as a class, create a line plot, and then we are going to answer some questions about that data in order to analyze the information. I definitely think students are more engaged and enthusiastic about the things we're learning, especially when we put the competencies in front of them and they're able to engage and interact with it. It just feels like it's something that's more tangible for them to grasp onto, and they have that understanding of this is why we're doing whatever it is that we're doing.